Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wished you had a digital assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but actually does your work for you? Welcome to the world of AI agents. Unlike basic chatbots that just reply with text, an AI agent is an autonomous software program. It can understand its environment, make decisions, and take real action to complete complex goals with very little human help. Today, let's explore the biggest advantages of AI agents and why they are changing everything. The first major advantage is true autonomy. Traditional software needs step-by-step instructions for every single click. But an AI agent is different. You can give it a high-level goal, like plan a travel itinerary and book the cheapest flights. The agent can break the big goal down into smaller steps, figure out what tools to use, execute the plan, and even troubleshoot problems if something goes wrong. This ability to handle multi-step tasks independently saves people massive amounts of time and effort. We are already seeing this work in the real world. Take e-commerce giant Klarna. They launched an AI customer service assistant that managed 2/3 of all customer service chats in its very first month. The agent handles complete workflows, answering questions, tracking orders, and even processing refunds completely on its own. While it handles routine tasks 24/7, human agents stay in the loop to step in whenever a complex or unique customer issue pops up. That brings us to the next big benefit: 24/7 continuous productivity. Human workers need sleep, breaks, and weekends off, and rightly so. But AI agents operate continuously around the clock without getting tired. Whether a customer reaches out at 2 a.m. or during a busy holiday sales surge, the AI agent provides immediate responses and keeps work moving without any delay. The third advantage is massive scalability and cost efficiency. Growing a traditional business usually means hiring more people, which gets very expensive fast. AI agents change the game by allowing a company to handle thousands or even millions of user requests simultaneously at a much lower cost. A small team powered by AI agents can operate with the speed and output of a giant enterprise, making high-quality service affordable and accessible. Another huge benefit is data-driven speed and consistency. AI agents can analyze huge amounts of data in seconds to make fast, reliable decisions. However, it is important to remember that AI accuracy depends on the quality of the data and models behind it. Without proper safety guardrails, AI agents can make mistakes or hallucinate incorrect facts. That is why smart companies build guardrails to keep the agent's decisions fast, consistent, and trustworthy. Finally, even with all these amazing benefits, AI agents are not meant to replace humans entirely. Human-in-the-loop systems remain essential for handling tricky edge cases, high-risk decisions, and emotional connections. AI agents take care of the heavy lifting and routine work so humans can focus on creativity and strategy. What AI agent tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.